Hello everyone and welcome back to Something of Everything. In the last video we have seen footing design module of DraftWin software. In this video we will see column module. The prerequisites are in ETABS the analysis and design needs to be completed. In the DraftWin press on column module and in the file press on column API. This will import the results from ETABS to DraftWin software. And based on the results the design will be completed. The first window that you will see upon importing the column API is detailing preferences window. In this window you have to select the inputs, that is clear cover, additional reinforcement that you want to give. Upon the required reinforcement you can detail out the selected columns, that is particular columns in DraftWin only, but in this case we just want to detail for all the columns. You can make ductile or non-ductile columns. You can change some of the columns to gravity columns so that it is detailed out that way. You have to select the concrete and steel grade. You can auto renumber the columns in DraftWin. Basically when you relabel the columns it gives from left to right and bottom to top, but in the general practice we give from top to bottom and left to right. So you can renumber the columns here. It gives you the preferences, preferred spacing of reinforcement, minimum spacing of reinforcement, and shear reinforcement data that you want to input. Press OK and it gives you the levels of floors and columns therein. The second option is drawing setting. You can select the closed rings or hook triangular rings. You can select the default do not style or the variable dia style. You can group the columns based on the specifically made algorithm by the DraftWin software. It gives you the column number as well as the reinforcement requirement in that column. You can group the columns by selecting almost nearby reinforcement requirement, that is this one as well as this one as well as this one can be in the one group, or you can just add this one also. It gives you that the C26 number column will require on an average 9.76 cm square of reinforcement. You can auto group the columns. In the auto group it will group all the same sized and same level columns. You can change the level from here to GF slab or first floor slab. In this case we are not grouping the columns so that we can see all the columns detailed independently. You can group the levels as well. If you want plinth and ground floor reinforcement to be same, you can group them like this and it will give you the same column in plinth level as well as GF level, and press OK. Once you have done this, it will give you the option to rebar syntaxing. In our case we give T at the end and not in the first, so we are just changing that and this one. Sorry, we want capital 1, right? These are the reinforcement style that you want to be get to be written. Once you have done the input, once you have given the inputs, just press run and it will give the reinforcement detailing. As you can see, the plinth and GF slab column is row is only one. For any column it is giving you the ETABS column number and user column number. User column number can be different if you have renumbered the column. It shows you the plinth and ground floor slab level details, column size, concrete grade, percentage of reinforcement requirement, AST required, total bars, reinforcement provided, percentage provided, AST provided, utility, that is required provided to required ratio, required to provided ratio in end zone and mid zone stirrups. You can change the details from here, main reinforcement as well as shear reinforcement. As you can see, we have to give 10 dia stirrup to suffice the shear reinforcement, and you can change the D2 diameter to anything that you want, but you will have to see that the reinforcement provided is more than reinforcement required. It shows you the diameters like this. Once the detail has been completed, you can go to output and click on schedule. It will ask you to save the drawing, DXF drawing. Once this drawing has been saved, it will show you the schedule, that is plinth level as well as GF slab level details and first floor slab level details. As you can see, the total length of plinth and ground floor is 5850. The reinforcement will be gone up to GF slab level, and above it the 4500 is the first floor height. It shows you the detail like this. This can be used by you in your drawings. It shows you the drawings as well. Click on it, save the DXF, and it will give you the cross section of the column. This is very interesting one. It shows you the concrete and steel grades. It shows you the required reinforcement percentage, provided reinforcement percentage as well. It shows you the required reinforcement and provided reinforcement area. It gives you the reinforcement and cross section of the same. For each level it shows you the details. You can use these details to your drawings as per your requirement. It shows you the detail and ductile detail clauses to be put into your drawings. It also gives you the layout based on the input of ETABS dimensions at each level. This is plinth level column details, this is ground floor slab level column details, and it is first floor slab level column details. As you can see, it shows you the column number, size, as well as the user column number. If you have auto numbered the columns, it will have shown the different numbers in here. Once you have detailed it out, you can get the quantities as well. As you can see, the column reinforcement to be added into the footings, you have to input the data here and press OK, and you can export the schedule to Excel as well, and done. Where is the Excel schedule? Here is the Excel schedule. As you can see, the column number, the stories, size, concrete grade, reinforcement required, total number of bars to be used, reinforcement provided, and shear reinforcement as well. This way you can get the schedule in Excel also. This is one of the best software to detail out the columns from ETABS. You can cross check at any point of time. Let us check the column C1 in ETABS. First we will have to see which column is C1, right? So we have to press labels. As you can see, this is C1, that is elevation 1, first column. Press apply, and Ctrl Shift F6 will give you the longitudinal reinforcement area. As you can see, the minimum reinforcement is there. In ETABS also it is showing that it is minimum reinforcement. Let's see C8, and let us create plan here, and plinth level, okay, and undeformed shape. Ctrl W, object assignment and labels. As you can see, this is C8. Let us see the C8 column reinforcement: 3240, 3240, 6407, 3240, 6407, and it gives you the detail for the same. You will not have to think of which combination needs to be done for that. And as you can see, 6470 is coming for ordinary case, that is, you have to give them in the details. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. For any inquiry regarding the software, or you want to purchase the software, WhatsApp us at the number given in the description. Thank you.